So, like Nate said, we are going to be looking at the song I'm Just a Bill from Schoolhouse Rock. So, the composer of this song is Dave Frishberg, and like I said, the song is called I'm Just a Bill. The musical period in which I'm Just a Bill was composed in is the musical period of rock music, and the subject that we are going to be relating this song to is the subject/major of education. So, first we are going to start with a quick little overview / table of contents. So first, we are going to be looking at the background, and so here we will talk about a brief background of the song as well as some information about the composer, which is Dave Frishberg. Next, we're going to move into talking about some unique musical features. So here we will share an excerpt of the song, we'll play it for you, and then we're going to point out any notable music features that make this song significant and unique. Lastly, we will relate this song to our majors of education, and then we will end with some discussion questions. So, to start, we are going to look at Dave Frishberg's background. So, Dave Frishberg is an American jazz pianist as well as a composer. He is known for his witty yet insightful, educational, and informative songs. So if you think of I'm Just a Bill, if you've never heard it, we'll play it for you very soon. This song is super witty and just funny, but also educational and informative. So I'm sure you've heard plenty of Dave Frishberg songs through your education courses or in any classes in elementary school or just around, because he is very well known for these songs that make learning kind of fun, I guess you could say. So we're going to look at two examples that are really similar to I'm Just a Bill. The first one is called Walkin' on Wall Street, and this song is super witty, super funny, but also very insightful and informative as it describes how the stock market works. And then the other song that's very similar is called 750 Once a Week, and this song is also super funny, but catchy, things like that to help you absorb information. And this song is about saving money and balancing a budget. So, like I said, Dave Frishberg has composed many songs, and he is super, super well known for his witty, insightful songs that help learners absorb information. So educators really, really like to use Dave Frishberg in the classroom as he is a tool for them to make learning fun. So now we are going to look at the background of the song. So this song was composed on March 27th, 1976. The singer of this song is Jack Sheldon. He plays the part, sings the part of the Bill, so the little Bill slouched over there on the stairs. And then Jack Sheldon's son actually plays the voice of the little boy, so that's pretty cool that they can do that together. This song teaches about legislation and the steps that it takes for a bill to become a law. So, like I said, this is a very witty but insightful song as it's teaching its listeners how a bill actually becomes a law and how legislation works. So this song segment debuted as part of America Rock, and America Rock is the third season of the Schoolhouse Rock series. So if you don't know what Schoolhouse Rock is, they just have a whole series of certain topics that educators use in their classroom to help teach their students, and they have lots and lots of songs like Dave Frishberg's song. And then this song was also covered by the Folk Implosion, and like I mentioned earlier, this song was composed in the musical period of rock music. So now we are going to move into looking at an excerpt of the song and listening to the song, pointing out unique musical features and learning about that, and then we will go into the topic of education as well as having a little bit of discussion. So now we are going to hear from Ethan next.